Welcome to the Rebounder Walker. This exercise is a simple pilot's workout. First exercise is dog and cat style pilot's workout. The cats and dogs exercise is a great way to promote proper spinal mobility and posture. It helps to prevent low back pain and helps with a stiff neck and shoulders. It works your spine, hips and shoulders in coordinated flexion and extension and gets rid of excessive tension, loosening up your stiff back, neck and shoulders. It works your spine, hips and shoulders in coordinated flexion and extension and gets rid of excessive tension, loosening up your stiff back, neck and shoulders. The cats and dogs exercise forms part of the Gulf Mobility series of innovative and dynamic exercises that will help to improve your joint and muscle mobility, improving your range of motion while increasing functional strength within the entire range of that motion. Second exercise is alternate bird dog workout. The bird dog exercise works the erector spinae, rectus abdominis, and glutes. These muscles allow for correct movement, control, and stability of the whole body. It's an ideal exercise for people with low back concerns, including hypermobility, and it can help develop good balance and posture. The bird dog is a simple core exercise that improves stability, encourages a neutral spine, and relieves low back pain. This exercise pose uses the whole body to target and strengthen your core, hips, and back muscles. It also helps promote proper posture and increase range of motion. This exercise is suitable for people of all levels. Third exercise is down dog child workout. Benefits of down dog child: relieves stress, stretches the shoulders, hamstrings, calves, arches, and hands, strengthens arms, legs, and back, supports healthy digestion, a great way to de-stimulate, a non-punitive timeout or break from the day, provides an opportunity to be playful or calm. Please subscribe for more informative videos.